Awesome. This is so awesome. This pizza sauce. So pizza sauce is very important so we could have that perfect pizza at home. All right, so let's get to it. Let's make that nice pizza sauce.
Yummy.
All right, so let's start with this pizza sauce. First off, what do we want? We want to have that palmy pizza sauce. Man, and we found it. Woo! It's beautiful because we started making it with that palmy tomato sauce. But now we did find that palmy pizza sauce. But what are we gonna do? Are we just gonna use this palmy sauce and that's it? You know, we don't gotta do anything else. We just warm it up and put it in the pizza. No. Guess what? That's how we do. We are gonna step it up another notch. Let's go. We're gonna put some seasoning into these. All right. So we're gonna pour this whole thing in there because guess what? Because we're gonna use it for a few things. If you guys want this, that's what we wanna do. We wanna share our recipes with you guys, all right? We do. I made a mess, like always.
Classic.
Yeah. So we have this here. What else we're gonna do? We're gonna add a few things. I'm gonna tell you right now, and you're gonna see it. We're gonna add concentrated tomato paste from Italy. Of course, that's what you want. We're gonna have parsley. We're gonna have oregano. We're gonna have onion powder. We're gonna add ground white pepper. We're gonna add black pepper. Of course, organic, everything. We have Italian seasoning. What does the Italian seasoning have? I'm gonna let you know right now. It has some more oregano, basil, marjoram, sage, and garlic. But guess what? We're still gonna add a little bit more of each thing. We do have garlic powder. We have some fresh basil. Yes. And we're gonna have some monk fruit, the golden monk fruit. Yes. And we're gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. All right, let's do this. Let's get it started. Yes, I forgot. And a little bit of salt. I can smell all the spices. Beautiful. Did I say parsley?
Did I say parsley, guys? Because we're gonna add parsley too, just in case.
That's how we do. You know, because we want to make some good pizza.
Man, isn't it so exciting to know that we could eat pizza still in lectin-free diet or lectin-free lifestyle?
It feels awesome, right? Because then you're like,
Oh my god, I can't eat no more pizza. I can't eat none of this stuff anymore because I'm in a lectin-free lifestyle now. What am I gonna do? Dr. Gondry don't talk about no pizza or he don't give no recipes.
that's why we're here. Because guess what? We were scared too, and then we decided, you know what? We could make it happen. We could have all this food, but lectin-free style. That's what we're doing. All right. From this monk sugar, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Very sweet. You could go ahead and do 1 tablespoon. You could do 2 teaspoons, however you feel. I like it more on the sweet side. All right, now we're gonna put this in the stove and we're gonna let it simmer. We're gonna put it there like medium low and just leave it there for a few minutes. We'll check it out after 10 minutes and stir it, check it out again, and you know, maybe 20 minutes, half an hour, because you wanna let that get together. You're gonna taste it, because what happens is you might need a little bit of more sugar or a little bit of more of the basil. I like to always add more basil because it's nice and sweet. So a little bit of whatever you need, you want to taste it. But it should be good after this. All right, let's go. We let it simmer there for like at least 40 minutes. What you wanna do, you want the tomatoes and all the flavors to cook together. And then we added some more leaves of basil, and that just did it. That killed all that bitterness, and we got the rice sauce right here. This same recipe, you could even use it for spaghetti and meatballs. It's awesome. All right, so I'm gonna enjoy it.